Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pass practice 5 of building level 3. Click on building, then I'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom. All of these are passed. You can see the past level 4, practice level 4, practice 4 I should say. And now we're going to do practice 5. So copy the code again and build the robot. So got that copied. We've got WS is in there. 0 is going to go to this one. 1 is going to go to that one. So this is going to be a steering wheel and a motor. All right. So got that. Okay, and go to Robot Store. Robot Store, I need a right wheel and I need a steering wheel. I already have the WS, and that should be good. So I'm going to click on Checkout, remove, get rid of this one and that one, switch back to move, put this one here, put this one here, okay, and then 0 went to this one, whoops. Port 0 went to that one, and 1 went to this one. Okay. Oh, and I got to copy my code. So I'm going to select all the code here, delete it, and paste in my new program. Click Update. Compile successful. Go to Challenges. And now this is the one I need to complete. So if I click on this one, and go to the challenge, so you can see now the steering wheel points at my mouse, and if I do W, it's going to move forward. So here I move forward. If I hit S, it's going to go in reverse. So I'm just going to go forward, and then I can, whoops, see 2. 2 is over here. Okay. I switched the waypoints around. So now I can do that. Now I've got to come back this way and get to 4 and then go to 5. There we go. Challenge is completed. So this shows you different examples of different robots you can build, different programs that you can write to control them. And now if I click on Home, go to Building, down here, Level Test, I think this just completes. So I click on Level Test, and levels up building. Yep. So this one is simple because you got all the challenges done. It just checks to make sure that all the challenges are in fact done, and then levels up your building. So if I click back on Home, you can see I'm now at building level 4. Building level 4 is not completed. That's the end of building level 4. So later on I will add more building examples. And then you can, I'll put those in like announcements or something, that the building levels have been, that there's more building levels, and then you can click on those and get more. So that ends it. That's the end of the building.